Hi, my name is Julie Nelson, and I'm a life and mindset coach for women. Before I started working with Serena, I was feeling stuck in my business. I was feeling like I had an idea of what I wanted to create, and I knew who I wanted to help, but I was really feeling like I was hitting my head against the wall. I had tried a lot of things, and I didn't feel like it was getting the results that I desired. And I knew there was probably something deeper behind that, additional help I could seek. And Serena came into my life, and I really resonated with what she was doing to help entrepreneurs and wanted to sign up. The main issue I was working on for me was feeling blocked in money, and also just possibilities as well. Like I knew what I was currently doing was not working, but I didn't know what to do next. And so I really needed guidance and help on next steps. I had a chance to be introduced to Serena through my mastermind group when she came and spoke to our group. And I was just really fascinated by the deeper understanding and healing that Serena could do with her work in not only clearing energy, but also diving into my Akashic records. And this is not something that I can Google and have somebody help me with. And so I knew I wanted to work with Serena because she had this ability to connect deeper with who I am at a soul level and what I can do to help bring my ideas and dreams into fruition. After working with Serena, I really went from not understanding how energetically I could most powerfully show up in my business, the things that would really help me in my business and the things that were blocking me. And so for me, it was that understanding of how I operate as a person that has now allowed me to look at my business, identify what is out of alignment, why it wasn't working. There's that understanding around it now, that awareness, and to be able to start course correcting and taking a moment to pause and really think about how I want to build my business moving forward with it being in alignment to I know who I am and how I work best. I would definitely recommend others to work with Serena. Not only do you get a wealth of knowledge with understanding your archetypes and how you would manifest best, your operating system, but also just the intuitive coaching sessions as well, to get a chance to sit down with Serena and talk through issues and have her be able to share her knowledge through her years of experience that really help you kind of have these light bulb moments and understand where you are on your path to building the business you desire.